In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to change HTML values using JavaScript. So here we've got our boilerplate again and our index.html hooked up to an index.js file. Now you can see we've got a paragraph here, nothing special. This text will be updated by JavaScript. When we press the button, it runs our JavaScript, and this text has been upgraded by JavaScript. And the value of the HTML has changed. So now let's take a quick look at the code and see how it does that. So in index.html, we have p with the ID of p1. So it's our little paragraph right there. We have a button calling with the onClick value of update text. Now let's go take a look at the update text function. So it's pretty simple. You just do a document.getElementById, by ID, and this is where that ID of p1 comes into play. .inner HTML, and from there you can set it to a string, and I appended a date on it just to make it a little bit more fun. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe.